The ESI M4U EX offers impressive plug-and-play connectivity with 8 versatile MIDI ports, making it a robust choice for musicians seeking extensive control without the hassle of driver installation. Its dynamic configuration allows for automatic adjustment of up to 8 inputs or outputs, with intuitive colored LEDs providing a user-friendly setup and real-time flexibility. Featuring a built-in USB 3.0 hub with 3 connectors, this interface serves as a central hub, efficiently managing all MIDI and USB devices in your setup. Designed for standalone operation, the ESI M4U EX boasts the lowest latency in its class and impeccable timing, allowing for diverse MIDI routing and merging capabilities without the need for a computer. With universal compatibility, it works seamlessly with both Windows and macOS, delivering outstanding performance suitable for both professional studio environments and live performances. The optional ESI MIDI Port driver for Windows enhances its capabilities by supporting complex multi-device and multi-client operations, expanding the potential of your studio setup.